Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I have a quick little haul here from Dollar General. So let's get started. All right, now I've been stockpiling stuff in the mudroom, and it's easier for me to do one bag at a time. So I'm trying to do it by store. So I'm just gonna try to do that versus sitting down with a large haul. So it just works better for me. So I can get back to work. So let me show you what I got from Dollar General. And you know the awesome part about Dollar General, guys, their stuff is still $1. And the quality of their stuff is great. I would venture to say slightly better than Dollar Tree, and I love Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna say that it's at $1, and they have different things than Dollar Tree has. So that's what makes that awesome for me, because their home decor is absolutely amazing. And whatever things they do sell for $1 is different than what the Dollar Tree is selling. So it just makes it like pleasant for me to go in the store, because I know I'm not going to find the same exact thing as Dollar Tree. So I just wanted to say that. Let me show you what I got. Now, this was on sale. It was on clearance. So here it says $4.95. It was Valentine's Day garland. Guys, this was probably, I don't know if I have the receipt here. Let me see how much that was. So I'm gonna say that it was on sale, and I paid $1. So this was, let me see. Everything on here says $1. So $2.57. Nope, that was my Cheetos. And everything else was $1. So it's like, I'm gonna say that what I do, I can DIY with these guys. Each one of these smiley faces is a different color. It's absolutely, you can DIY with this stuff all year round, depending on the color you want to use. So I bought it. You can't go wrong with this. I don't have to use it as a garland. It is a smiley face with hearts, and you could use that with anything. So this I paid $1 for it. So I went ahead and bought it. And they still had some stuff there on clearance. I was surprised they weren't wiped out with the Valentine's Day sale. Then they had this area decor, and again, see, it's $1. It's a nice size, nice thickness, and it says "Love lives here." You can use this all year round. So this was an awesome find. And then you know how I am with my birds, so I just had to get this little guy. I've been staring at him for a while. He was $3. Okay, but I absolutely love these birds and gold. I'm loving it. So I just got one. Okay, so in their little dollar section, they had this cute little bunny, and this is great for tier trays. So it's almost like a beaded type decor. So isn't that adorable? For $1, this is great for a tier tray. So I got him. All the other ones were kind of like not looking so cute, but he was. So I got him. Now, they did have ornaments, and it was $1.98 original price. I don't know. I think I got this for like 50 cents. Let me see if I see that. I don't see it right away, but look how cute that is. I can either DIY with this. Remember, Mother's Day is coming, guys. So I always think of Mother's Day right after Christmas, because Valentine's Day and Mother's Day stuff to me is the same, and I love using hearts. So I just may go ahead and add some ornaments over my Valentine's Day tree, and take down the love decor and put in there more flowers and lots of hearts, guys, because we gotta love our moms, okay? And so I grabbed 2 of those. So, and look at all the ornaments that you get in there. So it's the same thing as Dollar Tree, except I think these were cheaper. These were 50 cents. Now, I did grab these carrots, see how they are $1. If you look at them closely, they're very different from the ones at Dollar Tree. I like the shape of them, so they're not so narrow. They're very wide, and I'm just liking the way it looks. And you probably get the same as Dollar Tree, except this is $1. So I grabbed a package of those for DIYs. And I love putting greenery in my tier trays. Absolutely love using greenery. So this one is lavender. And again, this was $1, guys. So I like using these. This is great for tier trays. And then you have this one that was also $1. Look at that, guys. It was also $1. And look how beautiful that is. It almost looks real. It really does look real. So I got one of these. Then I absolutely love Cinderella. And that's what this reminded me of. So I'm gonna grab everything pink that I can find. In the Dollar Tree, I like, when you go to the fairy garden section, I love the ice cream, all of the ice cream and sweet decor. So everything hanging there that's sweets or candy, anything that reminds us of treats and sweets, I'm gonna go ahead and grab. But the Dollar General was carrying these beautiful, I don't know, I absolutely love them. I hope they get some more in. This one was $3. I think it's worth it. And again, I'm sorry, Nala's outside and I have to go get her. So let me just go ahead and do that. I don't know. Guys, as she wants to go out, when you call her to come back in, she doesn't want to come back in. And she has this like blood curdling bark. And it is freezing outside, but she wouldn't come in when I called her before the video. So of course it's like they know I'm videotaping and they start acting up. I don't understand it. But anyway, I absolutely love this from Dollar General. I'm gonna wait and see if they have more. I love the pink color, guys. I think this is, I mean, it was $3. It was worth it as far as I'm concerned. So this was my little haul from the Dollar General. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Remember, guys, that I do have 3 channels, and I would love for you to go on over there and support me. I am really wanting you guys to just go over there. I'm trying to post as much as I can in between my classes, and I could really use your support. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you. Amen.